going on, YouTube? It's 6:42 a.m. I had to put on this flash from my phone because looks like it's no good flashing for the camera, but we're up early in the morning. We're about to go to this job. I'm up early. We told the client we'll be there at 8. I'm just up early today because I gotta pick up my dad. I gotta unload some stuff on my truck because I got a mess in there. So that's what we're doing for today. We're about to install a 2-ton air handler and run some duct work in that basement so they can get some heating and air in that basement that they're finishing out. So I'm gonna get some footage of that and we'll go from there, guys. All right, folks, just came back. I was busy getting material. I totally forgot to even get footage, but we're here at the basement now. It's 1:07. I already set the indoor air handler. We had lunch already. There's a microwave, blue collar life. Got the electrician working here. I'll get this light on. Got that supply plenum going. Here's my return. Got the 5-inch filter rack for April air filter. Got the air handler, about to set the return. We already ran the line set. Going straight out that way. That was a brick exterior wall, so we had to bust out that brick. Now we're gonna put these vents up and get this return plenum. I'm sorry, this supply plenum and installed, and we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna get some footage of that. But yeah, that's what's going on here. I'm gonna put my tool belt on. Just want to show you a little bit of what I got on my tool belt, just for, you know, running duct work and roughing installations. Got my penduit gun. I gotta clean this out. It's all dirty, but I got my penduit gun, my snips, the Midwest snips. Those are the best snips. Got my duct knife, my needle nose. Got this inspection mirror. Got this the blade, markers, pencils, extension for drills, paddle bits, squeegee. So yeah, I got a mess right now. My tape measure, tubing cutters, some nails. I don't really need them right now. And then zip screws, 1/4-inch zip screws. And then I got a drill holder right here. So I'm gonna get it going. Put my phone in there. Put this on. And that's the setup. It's a very simple setup to do duct work and roughing installations. This is a nice little tip that I do with the tape. I call this a tape belt. Damn. So I just get some webbing and use it as a belt to hold the tape. That way I always have tape with me whenever I'm running duct work. It makes it 10 times easier and faster. Super convenient. Check it out, check it out. Check that out. Just move it to the side when I don't need it. And that's it. Got this gallon from Buc-ee's. Use it daily for water. seems good on this side. I usually just put 2 screws on each side. What's going on with that screw? And I don't put nothing in the back because I'm gonna take this thing down anyways. Feel like y'all be doing too much with them screws. This thing ain't gonna go nowhere. You gotta put no screws in the back. As long as it's sealed properly. I mean, unless y'all give me a good reason why I should put screws in the back, let me know. You know, I'm a humble guy. I definitely don't know everything. So if screws in the back or even in the front, sometimes I don't put them. If that makes a difference, let me know. We'll get that last to the other side. I can't really drill with my left hand, so we're gonna try. One of these long screws. What's going on, boy? That's my left hand for y'all. Can't do much with my left. Do not stick. Yeah. Get that ashore. What did we say? Switch now. Everybody does it. I'm always going like this. Calm down. I don't need to hang out. I just go ahead and bring that down and take it to the actual metal opening, and I just sit down there and screw down that way. And just take it to the I don't know. Sometimes I do it like this. I do it the other way. So I know you like this. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. A lot recently. I put that blue painter's tape and I mastic it and give it a straight line just to show off. but there we go. There's my return plenum, filter rack, air handler, supply plenum. Y'all ever think these things look like robots? Yup, they look like robots. Alright, so let's see what else we can do. Alright, YouTube, we back. So we running these ducts. Now here we just ran this return. Gotta put a supply right there. And supply by that window. And we just ran these. I already made the hole for them. So let's get to it. Otra pipa. Ajá. A ver, voy a jalar esto. Más la voy jalando y ya. Cuando se vea ahí que está cerca de la ventana ya le podemos. Me dice pues. So we got to pull these. Open way, pues. Open pieces, you know what I mean? Nah, we have to tell the customer. You gotta do it far down. ¿Dónde? A ver, que un poquito más no le hace que no esté el pie. Ajá, un poquito más no le hace. Le voy a dar un poco más nomás para que salga para acá. I had to cut this. That's not bearing. No, that's not a low bearing. What? A ver, un poco más. No le hace que ahí se... We got 260s here. We're gonna do a 866Y. We got this 8-inch return. ¿Mande? ¿Cuál?
Eso, ahí, de una vez la...
Sí, está bien. Y esta de una vez también. Y también esta. Oh, we got this one here. Going down that one. ¿Cuál? El taladro. Pops lost his drill. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead put this one right here. I do not know why this return is by the window. That's how this customer wanted it. He says he knows what he's doing. He's got a plan. I'll show you guys the plan in a minute. I tried to tell him we usually put our supplies by the windows, but hey, he wanted the return by the window, so we just gonna do that. I think he's like someone. I think he has like a HVAC friend or HVAC engineer or something like that out of a different state. I don't know. He sent him the plans. So it's 24 inches. Let's see. YouTube. It's 6:59, 7 o'clock about that time. But look, I wanted to show y'all what I was talking about, that return being up against the window. I didn't want y'all to think that was one of my ideas. This was his idea. So this is the mechanical room. The supplies are in the red. 6-inch supply, 8-inch return. As soon as you go in the door to your right, this is the window. So yeah, tried to talk him out of it. I don't know. We'll just leave it. It'll work though. But yeah, so what we did so far, we hung all the boots. 8-inch duct right there. 8-inch. 8-inch. The 8-inch return we was talking about. The 6-inch supply. 6-inch supply. We still gotta strap all this up. We gotta add this. We gotta add on to it. So we're gonna add it on with the. We're gonna splice it with the hard pipe. All these things we're gonna do a 1088Y right here and a 866Y right here. But yeah, here in Georgia, we use Hvac, man. I see a lot of videos on YouTube of people talking about Hvac. I don't know, I like Hvac. If it's installed correctly, stretched correctly, it's gonna work just fine. So that's what we got right here. This is the indoor unit. We got the supply plane on. Indoor, return. We connected these 2 returns. We connected 1 supply. Still gotta connect this return, these supplies. We already use our tubing bender here to connect this suction line and the liquid line. We're waiting until we set that outdoor unit so we can install the filter dryer and make this look better. But yeah, this is a preview of how it's looking. So we ran this line set. Another 10-inch return, we still gotta strap it up. This one is strapped up. Line set going out. We gotta run a, people call it fart fan, but yeah, a bath ventilation fan for this bathroom. We're gonna let it ride right above the toilet. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. 7:02, about time I gotta get home to my shorty and my daughter. So I'm gonna have to let y'all go. But this is what we did today. We worked on this basement. YouTube, God bless.